Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back. Today, sorry, this McDonald's does not have a roof. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own awesome, amazing McDonald's. Ba ba ba. Ooh, hello, little cow. Also, by the way, I'm sorry it doesn't look that nice. There's cobblestone here, and it looks pretty ugly, and stone. It doesn't look that good. It's because there's lava and water combined. I don't know how. I don't know why. It just randomly generated. It's probably a glitch, but it's still. So basically, I'm going to show you how you can build your own McDonald's. Boom, boom, boom. So basically, right here is an M on a stick, which, yeah, McDonald's does have an M on a stick, if you didn't know. But we should probably actually add some orange. I kind of. Yeah, I kind of forgot about that part. Maybe I should use black. I need to use like a black part to go around the sign. Cause I mean, how would there be a floating M on a stick? How would I forget about this? Ooh. Oh my god. How would I forget about this? Because, literally, there needs to be something holding it up, too. Oh, no, this side is... Okay, maybe that would look a little better. It's basically right here, I use some iron. Right here, of course, I used some yellow concrete and some black concrete. Basically, I love concrete. It gives, really, really nice, bright, vibrant colors. So, they're, really pretty. So, yeah. So, basically, sorry, I didn't finish the roof yet. But basically, on the roof, I use some red and yellow concrete. I think it's supposed to be orange and yellow. I don't remember, but still. And then so there's glass over here just for a little more lighting. I haven't finished building the roof yet, but yeah. This is just the kind that doesn't have any chairs. We might expand it. I don't know what happened to the cash register. We should probably place that back. Then over here, I have a note block. Okay, so basically, it's very easy. Even I get it, and I'm literally terrible at it. So basically, there is two pistons here. There's two pistons here, right? So, sorry. So, basically, since that, there's a lever here, because, hold on. So basically, there's a lever here, of course, because then it would push. But see, there, it, doesn't, hold on. So basically, it just goes like that. But we still need that part to go, or else it won't cover this part of the window. Because it's a drive-through also. So basically, we need redstone right here, and then right here, and then to make the noise a little nicer, I have I think that is a comparator. No, it's not. It's a repeater, so that then it can make that lovely noise. So yeah, and then it goes up here, and there's a piece of redstone here, and it goes to that piston. So that's how you make that working slide window, which I personally think is really cool. That gold block right there is how you make the nice little noise. Of course, this is a McDonald's, which is kind of sad for me because if you don't know, I'm a vegetarian. So like there's like meat here, which, and yeah, and I don't know why, but there's pig spawn eggs. I literally don't know why. And here's just a stove because like, you know, you open it and I want to cover it up because like, well, I mean, you don't want it to look like for my build in McDonald's, I don't want it to have like that, the smoker color, but you can if you want. And then here's just like some meat. Oh, and this. I actually love this. Basically, we used terracotta to build this McDonald's. I probably should have mentioned that. Yeah, this is just brown terracotta, I think. So it might be brown concrete. No, it's not brown concrete. Yeah, it's like brown terracotta. So, yeah. And then, over here, this is basically, oops, should not have done that. Sorry, I need some, it's basically the floor is just made out of white and black concrete, so, why did I grab out the black? Okay, so basically, right here is just some redstone. Basically, it's a lever, and then the redstone is connecting up here. And, yeah, there's just some underneath, I think. No, there is not. I should not have done that. I don't... Did something break? Like, because hold on. Does it still work or something? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it still works. Sorry, I don't really understand. I think there's like redstone underneath. It's fairly easy. You could just watch redstone tutorials to understand redstone. So, and then the last part of the McDonald's. Yay, my character is so happy, by the way. My character looks like this. She's so cute. Here it is. Sorry, oh no, that is gone. Oh, sorry, we had that there for the target. These are just covers, and you know how McDonald's is basically, I think it's like orange and red. So like that's why those banners are there for like coverage, but still lighting. Here's the infinite water sink. I will show you how you make that. Oops, should not have done that. So. Basically, sorry, oh yeah, hold on, let me just, do that really quick, and then what you have to do, so, basically, I use, like, this, sorry, I had to show, basically, this is prismarine brick stairs, and then prismarine brick slab. And then I used a bucket of water. Sorry, I heard a noise. So basically right here you just do that and you fill in the water and then super quickly you just, oops, like that. Because you don't want it to spill everywhere. So there's the infinite water sink. And then, so for this, you'll need whatever your McDonald's is made out of. Mine is made out of brown terracotta. Because, like, if this part is, like, extended a little, you might need, like, that part. This part, you don't always need, but sometimes you will. So, alright. So basically, you're gonna need, this is optional. This is like if like you need it, brown terracotta. or whatever your build is made out of. I don't know what your bathroom is made out of. Minecraft. So, yeah, you take that, and then you take some quartz stairs, any kind. It can either be quartz stairs or smooth quartz stairs. I don't really see the difference. If you do, you guys can tell me. I think this is made out of quartz stairs. Yeah, okay, and then you'll need a trapdoor of your choice. I'm gonna use the birch trapdoor. So basically, what you have to do is do this, and then you put this here, and then you tap on the top. That's all you have to do. And then replace it, and then you put a birch or whatever kind of trapdoor you want right here. Also, I use some diamonds right here because, well, I mean, come on, you need a little bling in your McDonald's. I mean, you don't have to, but still. Alright, guys, that is it for the video. Goodbye. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day.